Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 2 and let me share with you how to reset the preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the apps. Then let's tap on it. Now scroll down and find special app access and localize install unknown apps. And here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, so of course we can change it. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.